Afternoon to all the participants, and a very warm welcome to today's expert session and a resource person for today's webinar session who will be talking on bridging the gap campus to corporate. And we are so lucky to have you here, sir. And it's my privilege to introduce you to all the participants here who have joined us through Google Meet and on Facebook. To start with, let me introduce Dr. Neeraj Kumar, today's resource person for webinar session. Sir is highly accomplished HR and administration professional with more than 18 years of extensive experience in healthcare industry, experience in successfully managing change and putting organizations on accelerated growth trajectory with human touch. By qualification, Previous Sir is PhD in Management and MBA in Human Resource Management. Sir has been instrumental in setting up 5 corporate healthcare projects since inception. His passion includes mentoring, coaching employees, college students, and giving them in-depth training on different aspects of management. Sir is also visiting faculty to many management institutes like Devi Ahilya University Indore, T.Y. Patil University, and many more. Few national awards Sir has received in the recent past are 100 HR leaders who make a difference. Second one, 100 most impactful healthcare leaders. Third, most influential HR leaders in India. Fourth, HR Leadership Award Western Region. So, with this, I think the list is endless, and I would like to stop here. And again, on behalf of Padel University and Faculty of Management Studies, I welcome you all, and I would like to hand over the session to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Satna. Thank you for the lovely
Thank you so much,
introduction.
sir.
Good afternoon, folks. Good afternoon, and warm welcome to you also. Uh, I believe all must be geared up after having your lunch to, have a wonderful discussion for on the campus to corporate. It's a perfectly topic chosen by Dr. Sapna, and I believe it's the most needed topic right now. Being in a because you people are budding professionals, and these people you need to understand what is what. See, campus is the place where you sharpen your minds, before entering the corporate world. The campus and corporate world are much more similar. I mean, near to similar, you can say that. But yes, you need to sharpen it's a place where you sharpen the more your skills, your mind, and everything. And you must have read the Darwin's theory. It's a survival of the fittest, and same it applies everywhere. It's whether it's your campus, whether it's your corporate world. Survival of the fittest is the mantra. Even in your families also, if you see, you need to survive in your family. Who takes the lead when you are in a joint family or something? So my first input to you is, as a I cover all the points. I will not go on the how you should dress or how you should eat or how you should walk, because these are the things you would naturally learn. But I would give you the insights on the major points which will help you to grow, which will help you to understand more better, have an insight what the corporate world asks from you or what the corporate world needs from you. Now, first of all, look for a good teacher. Good teacher. I'm not saying I'm the college teacher. I'm talking about your teacher, your boss, whoever, rather than a big company. You can understand that people in across the world. If you name it, if I ask you which company you would like to join, you will definitely say Google, IBM, Accenture, NASA. But ये सारे company भी लोग छोड़ते हैं. And if I'm not wrong, you must have seen these people are leaving the companies. For some other reason. So point is not the company. Company people will come, company people will come and go. But a good boss is important, who teaches you, who hands holds you, who makes you feel the importance of you and makes you understand what is wrong, what is right. कंपटीशन इज एवरीवेयर. ऐसा नहीं है कि कंपटीशन घर में भी होता है, कॉलेज में भी आपके हैं, ऑफिस में भी होंगे कंपटीशन. बट इफ यू आर वन स्टेप अहेड देन योर फ्रेंड्स, if you are ahead than the league, there is no competition for you. Please remember that. Competition is always there when you are on the same page. When you all people are on the same page, when you all people believe yes, neck to neck. अगर आपको 68% आया, मुझे भी 68% आया, we are competitors. But I get 90% and you get 68%. Competition doesn't come in our way. So competition is there when we are on the same page. So to come up, you need to be one step ahead than your colleagues. Colleagues doesn't mean in the corporate world. Colleague doesn't mean your same rank. If you are executive, he is executive. You are a colleague. Colleague, it's the entire fraternity who deserves to go ahead. Will be your colleague in the corporate world. You are studying hard, your father mother has spent money for your education, you people are doing good in your career, but please remember one thing. You are like right now like an aeroplane where you are on the runway. You are still not taken off. So suppose you go on the runway and you go on the speed of 500, 600, 800 kilometers per hour. What is the faida? What is the advantage you are getting? Nothing, unless and until you take off. So as a student, as a professional, you need to take off. And to take off, you have to take the speed, and then you have to aim your target and run off. You go on the runway full day, 100% round and round and round and round. Outcome is what? Nothing. So you need to take off the runway, whichever way you want to take off, but you need to take off. Please remember one thing. We all are, we all still are trying to be human being. What we write in our, the books, we are human beings. We have still not become human. We are still trying to become a human, and we are striving to become a human. So we are trying to be human beings. So if anything is there where you need to improve, nothing wrong about it. The day we stop writing beings, that day we'll be the perfect humans. We are upgrading ourselves every day. COVID has taught us a lot. During the COVID times, we have seen there is a lot of the entire human clan has been put on the reset button. Everything, from whether you are your smallest grade employee in your organization, or you are the senior most employee in the organization, everybody learned something or other in this COVID times. Whether you learn patience, whether you learn to smile behind your mask, whether you learn to cook food, whether you learn drawing, but something you learn, whether you learn to give importance to your breath, but yes, you learn something or the other in this COVID time. And yes, that is the way it is also practical in life. You have to learn every day. You need to, unleash your hidden talent. Like आपको पता होगा, हनुमान जी को पता नहीं था कि वो उड़ सकते हैं, बट जामवंत ने जब उन्हें बताया, you have the power to fly in the air. So he flew in the sky. So that was the reason where the teacher or the mentor or the boss comes into role. He makes you aware of your potential. You are aware of your potential, but you need to sharpen up with your superiors or the mentor with you. This current crisis, what we are facing today, will come and go. I mean, the COVID vaccine has come. We are all are happy. We are going to end the crisis soon. The crisis will going to end, but this crisis will end something else. More crisis will come up. It is a normal phenomena. Some problems is the part and parcel of life. It will go. It will come. It will. But we need to move on. We need to move on. You need to decide whether you want to get afraid, sit idle, and take a back seat, or else you need to move further. आपने ध्यान दिया होगा, कोई भी as a practical life I am saying, nobody likes the stagnant water. आप अगर देखोगे आपके घर के आसपास तालाब है जहाँ stagnant water है, nobody likes to go and sit near the stagnant water because there is काई जम जाती है, फंगस आ जाता है चारों तरफ. So, and smell comes up. So everybody likes the flowing water. Everybody wants to sit beside the flowing water, hear the chirping words, and the tickling sound of water. So you need to be a flowing water. You cannot keep yourself stagnant. अगर आपने जिस दिन अपने आप को stagnant कर लिया, you are finished. You are finished. So you need to be flowing continuously to move ahead in your life. Nobody likes to sit on the dirty, smoky water. You need to move on. COVID has also taught us many things during this entire scenario, that we need to fine tune ourselves, we need to adjust. Adjustment is the biggest factor we have learned during this course time. Whether you adjusted with your friends, with your family members, with your time, whether with your sleep, whether with your food, but yes, you learned something to adjust. Also, you learn how to fine tune yourself. ऐसा होता आया है, ऐसा होता ही सालों साल से. We broke that barrier. Home work was working from home was not a culture used to seen in many organizations, but now it's a day-to-day affair for them. Having meetings in the after office hours after 7 p.m. or 9 p.m. was not possible on the laptop. People have their own schedule for the day, but now everybody is adjustable, everybody has learned to adjust. The main situation was the crisis during this entire period. The crisis was the, but it's not that external crisis I'm talking about the COVID, or that impacted us. I'm talking, there was an internal crisis also. People lost jobs, the salary cut was there, goofed up tension was there, more stress was there, because some of my family, whether my elderly people in my family would get corona, or I'm not getting a milk outside, the shops are closed, my child needs the milk. So everywhere, somewhere or other, the stress was there. And this was the time you learned the crisis management. The crisis management, not only for the external crisis, what I wanted to say, you you had the internal crisis management also, you did it. And everybody did it. Whether, I'm not saying you means, it was applicable to everybody, whether you are a 90 years old man or a 9 years old budding boy. Everybody had the crisis management. The young people could not go to play in the grounds. The young generations, the you could not go to the gym. So but you found out the way to how to do gym at home or in your park or whatever. You took out the solution for it. So please remember, when you enter the corporate world, you need to collect, I'll go in a random way, 5 6 things you need to collect. It's very important for you to collect. आप लोगों को जितनी पढ़ाई करनी थी आपने की, आगे भी आप पढ़ सकते हो, लेकिन आपने एक, you have learned ABCD right now in your college according to the professional world. Now what you need to collect in during this your professional world, or when you go in the corporate world, I'm so sorry. First of all, you need to collect your skills. आपको बुकिश नॉलेज तो आ गई है, बट यू नीड टू लर्न द स्किल्स, यू नीड टू हैव द हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस. पढ़ाई is important, learning is important, but unless and until you have the skills, nobody will have give you the chance. And skills are always short supply. I told you, you have to be out of the competition, you have to be out of the league. So for being out of the league, you need to have 3 4 factors which are important, and one of the important factor is skills. I'll tell you a small story. There was a monk. He was a highly learned guy, very learned guy. So while once he was crossing a river in a small boat with few people, and these people were not a very learned class people. The typical carpenters, plumbers, painters, the villagers, you can say that. So monk was very boastful of his knowledge. He read all the Vedas and this and that, all the big books on management, old books, you can say that. So he asked one person, do you know this Veda? The person said, no, I don't know. So he said, your life is wasted. You are a fool. You don't know this Veda. How can you survive? He asked the other guy, do you know this Puran? He said, no. He said, do you learn? He asked the third guy, the painter, have you gone through this book or learned this management skills? Books. He said, no, nothing. He said, he cursed everybody. He said, you people all are useless. Your life is wasted. You will not able to move up in life because you don't have the requisite skills in life. You don't have you have not learned anything in your life. You have not learned anything in the books. So suddenly what happened, after going through half a mile or so, the boat got struck up with a stone, a big underlying stone, and there was a hole inside the boat, and the water started filling in the boat very fast. So it was crystal clear that now the boat will get drowned. It was crystal clear. So now the everybody asked the monk, Sir, everything is fine. You have so more good knowledge, but do you have the skills? Do you know swimming? He said, no, I don't know swimming. So you can understand the importance now. The skills is important. It's very much important for you to survive. Knowledge is there at this place is important, but hands-on skills is important to go up the ladder to, understand the pros and cons of the entire thing. Next thing is collect the experience, whether the experience is good or bad. Please collect it from your corporate world when you enter. Now, this experience can be, I'm not saying in the initial phases it will be bad. You have never seen this people shouting or your picture style with throwing papers on your colleagues and calling by them different names. You will have as well as good as a bad experience, but you can, take a good experience to imbibe that experience to take it carry forward, as well as the experience what you are seeing, the bad experience from your seniors or your colleagues. Please also carry that baggage to remember that you should not repeat the same thing. When you felt bad, कि आपने जब देखा आपके बॉस को किसी के मुंह पे पेपर फेंकते हुए, तो आपको भी ये समझना चाहिए कि आप भी जब किसी पे फेंकोगे सामने वाले को भी बुरा लगेगा या आप पे कोई फेंकेगा तो उस पे भी बुरा लगेगा. So collect your experiences, whether it's good, bad, but I'm not, when I'm saying collect it, don't collect and keep it in your folder. You need to remember it. Please remember one thing. Now, if I ask you today that what comes after A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, definitely you will say I, J, I or J. I ask you what comes after 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely you will say 5. If you're sleeping in your, the midnight, if I wake you up and ask you what comes after 3 and 4, you'll definitely say 5 in the midnight sleep also, because that is your knowledge. That is the knowledge you have got in your tertiary memory. So when the things goes from the primary memory to secondary memory to the tertiary memory, then you never forget things. But if you mug up, you'll forget the things. You'll forget the things. That's applicable to me also. I'm not saying that we are also anything different. It's applicable on each and everybody on this earth. So unless and until you learn, unless and until learn the skills, you have the experience, and you take it to your tertiary memory, it will fade away. See, in the current scenario, being the youngsters, I'll say the third thing you should collect is the health. Now, a lot of stress are prevailing everywhere. It's from the infinity times, the stress is prevailing everywhere. When the Sita must have been Mata Sita must have been kidnapped during those times. So his husband, Lord Rama, would also have got the stress, I believe. So stress is everywhere. You cannot. It's a part and parcel of life for us now. If you cannot avoid the stress iota also. But what I wanted to say is, आप stress लीजिए and that use it as a bouncing back step, but maintain the health. Health is important for you being when you enter the corporate world. And the last thing is collect the purpose. From my side, I would say 4 things: skills, experience, health, and purpose. When I say purpose is to what you want to do. Purpose, don't run after position, don't run after power. This will come, don't run after money. It will come for you when you climb the ladder. It will definitely come and join you. But collect the purpose in your life, what you want to do, whether you want to become X, whether you want to become Y. People say mostly, sir, I want to become a marketing guy because I have the good communication skills. मेरे पास है, मैं PowerPoint अच्छा बना लेता हूँ. I want to be a marketing guy. That's fine. पैसा बहुत है सर मार्केटिंग में, इसलिए I want to become a marketing guy. I am not debating your point, but you need to collect a purpose, what you want to become, and do you have that edge to take that. आप मार्केटिंग लेना चाहते हो ठीक है, लेकिन आपको धूप में निकलना पसंद नहीं है, बारिश में निकलना पसंद नहीं है. You don't have patience, to somebody say you कि suppose you are a marketing guy, you have to come to sell me a Hyundai car or a Merc, and I say you wait for 2 hours, I'll see you after 2 hours, and you don't have a patience to sit, or else you lose that temperament, or you lose that zest and zeal after waiting for 2 hours to sell me the car. So if you don't have the purpose, you don't have the zest and zeal, it will be difficult for you to survive in this corporate world. Please remember, many things are similar in this corporate world, like campus. It's If nothing is a major deviation is there, you'll feel like you have the camaraderie, the same camaraderie you have in the campus, you will have in the corporate world also, where you'll show your talent of friendship, you'll show your talent of getting the task done. Yeah, it's the same thing, whether here you have your friends, there you will have your colleagues. The same C stands for campus. If I define campus in abbreviation, it will be C would be standing for camaraderie, A would be, activity, M for you have to be multi-purpose, P would be proactive or your performance would be, important factor. You would be united, you stand united, or else your understanding power should grow up. And S would be you have Superman everywhere, where you have to be Superman. So again I repeat, the if I campus full form: camaraderie, activity, you have to be multi-purpose, proactive, united, and you have to be Superman. Now, to explain this, I will say camaraderie, I explained you the दोस्ती यारी whatever आपके कैंपस में होते हैं, सेम आपको दोस्ती यारी कैंपस कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में भी निभानी है. You lot of activities there in the campus, sometimes Rose Day, Valentine's Day, this for completion of 1 year of the university, or else some task of management quiz and something. So a lot of activities goes on in the campus. Similarly, like a lot of activities is there in the corporate world. You have to be multi-purpose in the campus. आप क्रिकेट में भी हाथ आजमाते हो, वॉलीबॉल में भी आजमाते हो, टेबल टेनिस, or else drawing competition, or else extempo. So like you are multi-purpose in your campus, you have to be multi-purpose in your corporate world also. You have to be proactive. You know, in जैसे कॉलेज में आपको बोलते हैं ये काम करनी है, you say yes, yes, I'll be doing, or I'll take the initiative. Or else your performance is judged by your teachers, how much you study, how much marks you score, how much initiatives you take. Similarly, in campus also, in corporate world also, your the performance, the proactiveness and performance would play a very important role. As you are united in the college, किसी ने आपके कलीग्स पे हाथ उठाया, किसी ने आपको गाली दी, किसी ने आपके कलीग्स को challenge किया, you stand with your colleagues. How dare you? Is my classmate or in my group. Similarly, for the in the campus, in the corporate world, you have to be united also. You need to understand. You should have the understanding edge. What I wanted to say also as well for the you and as campus, as I would say, you have to be a Superman. And you are in college, doing present everywhere, do all the things. In corporate world also, you have to show that you are a Superman. But in college, I would also say you have to be jack of all trades and master of one. You have to be a master of one in your corporate world. It's anything. It's the field you are, but you have to be jack of. But you should be master of one. You should not happen that I put my fingers everywhere, but I don't know this my core area. Suppose you are a marketing guy, you are an HR guy, you are a finance guy. You have to be good in finance. I'm not saying that you cannot be good in singing or cannot be good in X or Y, but if your finance is specialization or your focus area, you have to be good in your finance. So that is you have to be multitasking. What I wanted to say, you have to be jack of, you have to be omnipresent, you have to be omniscient. Everything you have to be to show your presence that yes, I exist in this corporate world. I exist. Now, there are small things, when you move out from campus to corporate, definitely you will be sitting in the interview. आपको interview देने हैं different kinds के, whether big company comes, whether small company comes. Please remember that आपको interview की तैयारी करके जानी है. And now when I say interview की तैयारी करके जानी, it doesn't mean that, my name is XYZ, I stay in XYZ place, I'm studying in so and say. That is fine. You know that. But apart from that, there's nothing wrong in mugging up. Point is, the interview in that 5-10 minutes of your discussion sees your confidence, sees how much you can, exhibit your performance, how much eye contact you have, your body language. So there's nothing wrong in mugging up you sit in an interview. There are YouTube's many things there are there. What questions are asked, how you should sit in the interview, how you should talk. You should do that. You should do that. And in interview, you have ample of opportunity to go to the YouTube. I'll not go. That's a different, totally a different chapter session. We need to go through that. But what I would like to say is, when you sit in the interview, don't ask the interviewer like, sir, what is the job security? You have to decide. Don't ask when you're sitting in interview in Accenture and you're asking what is my job security. These are foolish questions you are asking. And so, as an interviewer, what will say? No, no, I'll kick you out after 3 months, or I'll 2 months. I'll say definitely it's secured, but I will say that this guy is not, doesn't have a edge of that professional touch. You should not ask, sir, what will my future growth? See, today's world, future growth is in your performance. So don't ask this question. He will say definitely he will perform. You will go up the ladder. That's the answer he will give. Don't ask about the salary. The if you are shortlisted, definitely I'll share with you the salary structure. So don't ask these questions when when you sit in the interview, sir, how much salary I'll get. Point is not the salary. Point is you need to learn. See that how much learning I'll get this through company, and that is important for you rather than the salary. So don't ask these things, small questions in the interview. Now, when you enter in the corporate world, you should remember three, four things again. Where when you enter in the corporate world, you should know the act of balance. कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड से अब आप बाहर निकल चुके हो, अब आप सॉरी कैंपस वर्ल्ड से आप बाहर निकल चुके हो, अब आप कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में हो. So you need to have the act of balance between the good and the bad, the stress and the calmness, how to everything, how to react. The act of balance is very, very important for you if you want to survive. Stress management would be another very important factor for you, because you आप लोगों ने आज तक free life जिया है, no responsibilities to speak up, or reporting structure, or after 5 or 4:30 you're free from the college. But here you need to, हो सकता है आपको रात के 9 बजे तक काम करना पड़े. So that is the important factor. You should have that. So body language is important, your patience is important, act of balance is important, and patience would be very important, because you will not know what is going on in his life, what is happening suddenly. इतनी मस्त वाली जिंदगी थी, अच्छी जिंदगी जी रहे थे, अचानक से ये टर्न कैसे ले लिया. So have patience, have to, go, that you will learn with the time you learn these things. But you need to understand where you need to have the patience. Integrity is very important in this today's world. Aapki integrity, and you need to learn and de-learn as a fresher. Please remember that integrity. When I say integrity, it doesn't mean that stealing. Only stealing is not integrity. कि मैंने पैसे चुरा लिए, मैंने तो कुछ धोखाधड़ी नहीं किया. If you use office car for your personal purpose also, that is also challenging your integrity. So integrity is best judged when nobody is watching you. So integrity is an important factor. An important factor is when you learn, and you need to de-learn also. Like you give exams in your college. It will be hardly 3, 4, 5 times in the college, not more than that. But here in the corporate world, every day you have to sit in the exam. Every day the exam is there for you. So you have to pass the exam. Everybody is watching you. Please remember, everybody is watching you. Everybody is judging you. When I say everybody, it doesn't mean your boss. आपके जूनियर हो सकते हैं, आपके कलीग हो सकते हैं, आपके सीनियर हो सकते हैं. So you have to be careful. Okay, nothing wrong in repeating mistakes. Nothing wrong. आपसे गलती हो गई, कोई बात नहीं. Everybody will close your eyes कि चलो fresher है यार, गलती हो गई. But the problem is you should not repeat the same mistake and again. That is the mantra you need to follow. Repeat the mistakes. There's nothing wrong in repeating mistakes, but don't repeat the same thing and again and again. That is the problem. If repeat the mistake again, I'll get irritated as a boss or as a mentor. I'll say, yeah, it's up. I feel your some point your grasping power is weak. What I'll feel that. आजकल के जो छोटे बच्चे हैं, उनको भी अगर छोटा कोई बच्चा है, उसे भी दूध चाहिए अपनी माँ का. अगर न्यू बॉर्न बेबी है, he cries, and the mother understands, he needs milk, I believe, and she feeds the baby. Similarly, in this corporate world, nobody will help you. If you want to learn knowledge, you need to cry. When I say cry, means you have to ask for this thing. Nobody has the time to teach you. You have to take initiative, learn from your bosses, learn from your mentor, learn from your colleagues, learn from your juniors. Juniors are also the best teacher. You remember, आप आज corporate world join कर रहे हो, but आपका जो हो सकता है आपका assistant है, HR या marketing या finance. He's in the company for last 10, 15 years. He knows what the boss likes. He knows what the in what format the boss likes, or what is the good time to speak to the boss, in the morning, in the evening. So he also knows a lot. So everybody is your mentor when you enter in the corporate world. Don't feel that कि ये तो यार ये चपरासी है, ये तो third grade, fourth grade class employee है, प्यून है, what he will teach me. Please remember, अगर आपको photocopy machine नहीं आती है और आप उससे सीखते हो, he is your guru in that case. He is teaching you how to do a photocopy machine, a photocopy in a paper, और एक photocopy paper फंस जाती है अगर machine में, how to take out that photocopy paper from the machine, the stuck up paper. He is your guru. He will teach you that thing, and which you later on you will pick up fast and you will boast of people. I know that, but yes, he is your guru that time. So try to learn from every small employee, small things from the employees, each and every employee. Now, again, I'm repeating, don't run after money. Money will come and go. You run after the knowledge. You run after the mistakes, what people do. Learn the mistakes, what people do, so that you don't repeat that mistakes. So please remember that if you have a Saraswati at your home, Lakshmi will automatically come up. But don't. I mean, when I wanted to say Saraswati and Lakshmi, I wanted to say goddess of knowledge and goddess of wealth. So either also remember, it's very difficult to earn respect and money both simultaneously. So either you earn money or you earn respect. आज बहुत कम लोग हैं दुनिया में जो दोनों के साथ में बैलेंस लेके चल रहे हैं. जैसे आपके पास पैसा आता है, आपकी दिमाग उलट जाते हो, you forget knowledge, you don't give respect to knowledge. Either way, you get knowledgeable, you don't go after money, and you run after. So it's a very tricky situation. You need to maintain the balance. Out of box thinking is also very important for you in this corporate world. Survival of the fittest, I told you, Darwin's theory. You need to think out of the box. I'll tell you a small story. There was a 5 engineers who went to the jungle and suddenly they were lost. When they got lost, so one engineer said, we have come from the back side, this side of the road. We should turn back and go on the same side. We'll reach out to the main road. Somebody said, no, we should go on the right side because right is always right. इसलिए right word का coin किया गया, we should go right. Somebody said, no, मेरा intuition कह रहा है कि लेफ्ट जाना चाहिए, लेफ्ट इंट्यूशन इज मोर पावरफुल. आपको कभी गट फीलिंग आनी चाहिए, लेफ्ट जाओ, आप निकल जाओगे जंगल से. ये सामने वाले फोर्थ बंदे ने कहा नहीं, वी शुड गो स्ट्रेट. हम लोग अगर सीधे आए तो सीधे जाएंगे, तो आगे हम लोग दूसरे रास्ते पे निकल जाएंगे जंगल से. और द फिफ्थ फ्रेंड सेड, होल्ड ऑन, वी कैन ऑल्सो हैव अनदर वे. ही वेंट टू द हाईएस्ट ट्री, क्लाइम द हाईएस्ट ट्री. सबसे ऊपर ट्री पे पहुंच के देखा कि रास्ता किस तरफ दिख रहा है, एंड ही वेंट दैट वे. So you have to have the out of box thinking. You cannot go by the conventional method, right, left, सीधा. मेरे बॉस ने बोला सीधा जाना है तो जाना है. You have to go that way. ठीक है? And you have to have the out box thinking of that way. Now, when you go to the boss in the corporate world, you should always go with the 2-3 solutions. Nobody boss would like to say कि आप जाओ, मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आपको प्रॉब्लम है, but you think yourself what would be the best solution for these problems. What might be the best solution, you can think that way and then go to your boss, because the boss loves such situations. The mentor, the leader loves such people who comes with the solutions. हो सकता है स्क्रैप सोल्यूशन हो, सुपर स्क्रैप सोल्यूशन हो, बट गो विद द सोल्यूशन. एटलीस्ट ही विल अप्रिशिएट कि यार इस बंदे ने दिमाग तो लगाया, एटलीस्ट ही हैड अ करेज टू कम एंड से मी समथिंग. So go with the solution, 2-3 solution with the to your boss. In out of the box, I'll show you one more example. There was a king. He was उसके एक पांव कटे हुए थे, उसका एक आंख भी नहीं था. But since राजा का बेटा राजा बनता है, तो he became a king. And I'm not going is a good or bad. What I wanted to say, उसका एक पांव नहीं थे, उसकी एक आंख नहीं थी. बट एंड वॉल ऑफ फेम में जैसे हर राजा ने अपने अपने तस्वीरें लगाते हैं, तो ये राजा को भी मन था कि अब मेरी तस्वीर लगनी चाहिए, एंड बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट तस्वीर मेरी वॉल ऑफ फेम में लगनी चाहिए. Now you must have seen all the pictures of history, the rajas holding the talwar and standing like this and sitting on the chair and standing. Now the painters were in trouble. How should we sketch this raja? He would not like to have a painting of his with not showing one leg, and his one of the eye was he didn't had one eye. So everybody was in a dilemma. So he called best of the best painter, and some of the painters made some excuses and ran away. उन्होंने अपना कोई ना कोई बहाना मार के वो लोग चले गए. they were not present in the saying. They didn't accepted Raja's this thing that yes, we'll make a painting for you. So there was a one painter, a very small painter or junior painter, you can say. He agreed on that, and he made a beautiful painting of Raja, the king. And when the king saw, he ordered with him so many things. He agreed with him left and right. You know what he did? How he did painting? He showed the king on the horse. He showed the king on the horse, and when you painted the king with the horse, only one side of the horse was leg side was seen on the left hand side, or suppose. So right hand side of the leg was always hidden because that was on the other side of the horse. And he showed the king, he showed the people that he's with his bow and arrow, and he's aiming at the lion. And when you are at the bow and arrow, so you close your one eye, and you try to hit the target. So he closed the lid of Raja of with the one eye. So what I wanted to say, out of box thinking, or solutions, you need to design something like that. Where but the Raja was very happy. Nobody could identify that Raja had a one leg and the king had a one eye. So people think that he was a brave king, sitting on the horse and aiming the lion with one eye properly. He was a brave king. The generation will know him as a brave king. No generation will not know that whether he has a one leg or he had a one eye. So also you need to develop a factor of trust when among your colleagues and your seniors. Please remember, you have been watched every time in your college, in your campus, or in your corporate world. आप हर कोई आप पे नजर रखता है, आप कैसे बात कर रहे हो, आप कैसे चल रहे हो, कैसे बैठ रहे हो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट इट्स एप्लीकेबल टू यू. अगर मैं आपका बॉस हूं तो आप भी देखते हो मुझे कि नीरज खाना कैसे खा रहा है, कैसे बैठ रहा है, कैंटीन में कैसे बातें कर रहा है. नाउ आई टीच यू सो मच थिंग्स कि आपको हु हा ही नहीं करनी चाहिए कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में, आपको धीमी बात करनी चाहिए. एंड व्हेन आई माइसेल्फ गो इन अ कैंटीन, I am shouting, I am eat while eating, I am making the utensils टन 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 चम्मच की आवाजें आ रही हैं. सो ज्ञान देने के लिए मैंने आपको ज्ञान दे दिया इतनी सारी, लेकिन मैं अपने आप पे इम्प्लाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ. So you are scrutinizing me that time. You are my performance appraiser. You are appraising me that time. So please remember that everybody is scrutinized, whether you are a junior, whether you are a senior most. मैं आपको इतनी सारे ज्ञान देता हूँ, dust, walk properly, this, that, and then while sitting in my cabin, I eat pan parab. You will not have any respect for me. You says, यार ये कुछ करता और है, बोलता कुछ और है. So yes, please remember, you have been scrutinized. You have to be cautious when you are in campus. In corporate world, sorry. So please remember one thing, in campus when you are, I don't need Einsteins. I'll teach you everything. I need ABCD. You should know EFGH. I will teach you. You should be clear with ABCD. But if you don't know ABCD, it's a problem for you there. You have to be crystal clear with ABCD. EFGH, IJKL, everything I will teach you, because I know that you are freshers. You are just come out of the campus. We are ready to teach you, but basics should be clear, funda should be clear. Please remember, there are certain things, there are do's and don'ts we should do is in college. Basic things I will go in a nutshell. Like, how can you impress your boss? Something, suppose your boss ने आपको बोला है कि या वो एक टास्क करनी है मुझे, वेडनेसडे को याद दिला देना. So you should have a habit of writing down in diary, or today there are smartphones. Make a reminder on your smartphone that on Tuesday you have to remind boss on XYZ thing. The boss will get impressed कि यार ये बंदे को जो बोलता हूँ मैं वो याद दिला देता है. Because I have 100 tasks in my schedule, because I am grown up the ladder. You don't have 100 tasks, you have 10 tasks only. That's the reason I have told you. And I'll be also judging you कि मैंने जो task आपको बोला था याद दिलाने को, आप याद दिला पा रहे हो कि नहीं मुझे. I'll be also taking an indirect exam for you. So please remember that remind your boss anything I task I given you 1 day prior, not 1 hour prior. Okay. Now I told you best is use your phone. Never trust your brain. Never trust your brain, please. ब्रेन में इतनी सारी चीजें होती हैं, कितनी चीजें आप याद रखोगे. डोंट फील दैट अच्छा बॉस ने बोला है वेडनेसडे, आई रिमेंबर वेडनेसडे, बट डोंट ट्रस्ट योर ब्रेन. Try to make it documented. Okay, like when you go in a corporate world, don't wear bold prints, or females don't use loud makeups. When you go on the corporate world, never borrow money from your colleagues. क्या आप बोलोगे कलीग से मनी बोरो करने में क्या? आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट 5-10 रुपीज, 15-20 रुपीज, दैट्स एवरीथिंग. जैसे 5-10 हजार रुपए ले लिया आपने और आप लौटा नहीं रहे हो, फिर हल्ला चालू हो गया, अरे पैसे नहीं दे रहे हो, पैसे नहीं दे रहे हो. एक माहौल खराब हो रहा है. दूसरा, आपका आपका मन नहीं लग रहा है काम करने में because you have spoiled other colleagues, you know, the mental balance. So try to avoid these things, you know, never borrow money in the campus, in the corporate world. Please remember one thing: when your boss has, I'm going in a random order, you know, what we expect from you. I'm not going in any series, anything in the series. When I expect something from you and you are not able to complete, please go beforehand and tell your boss or your mentor, sir, आपने मुझे ये काम दिया था, I believe I would need some more time, I would not able to complete. ये नहीं बॉस को आके पूछे आपको कि यार काम दिया था वो क्या हुआ स्टेटस उसका. That your boss should not come and ask you. If you need time, you are able to complete it on time, I'm okay with that. आपको कल 2 बजे तक का टारगेट दिया है, ठीक है, बट मैंने आपको अगर किसी चीज की कल 2 बजे तक टारगेट दी थी और आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप 1:45 में आओगे, 1:45 you go and slide and go say me sir it's 1:45, 1:45 I am not able to complete the task. Please give a 3-4 hours buffer time, sir, I am not able to. Your boss would love it कि चलो पहले से बता दिया है, because his task would be dependent on your information. So he needs to know what is the task and whether when you submit the data he need to add in his presentation. So be very clear, sir, I am able to do or not able to do. Now you know, you need to observe everything during the campus corporate life as well. Don't say that कि जैसे आप campus में आते हो आपको मैं अचानक से पूछ सकता हूँ what is the color of the wall behind you. So definitely you'll turn back and see what is the color of the wall. But don't do these things. You know, you definitely अगर आपको observe minute things before you do everything. अगर आप और दूसरा एक जनरल एटमॉस्फेयर क्या होता है, अगर सामने वाली दीवार पीली है तो बैक भी पीली होगी, या व्हाइट तो पिछली वाली व्हाइट होगी. Otherwise, be cautious. Have, you know, your eyes should be always working as a scanner. You should always scan things. What is going on? Like minute details. When I wanted to say, when you are joining a corporate life, if you have auditorium, how much is the sitting capacity of auditorium or a boardroom? You know, how many photocopy machines we have in the total building. Something basic information so that you are updated. I'm not saying that overnight you have seek jaoge. Try to target every day. You need to learn one good thing. When I say good thing, it can be anything, where geography, history, or about the organization. So if you learn one thing every day, you learn 365 things in a year. And if you multiply by 10 in a 10 years, when I say 10 means 10 years, you see you have learned 3650 new things in the 10 years time. Definitely you learn more than one, but if you learn one, see the power of knowledge you learn. You're learning 3650 things in a year. Now, whether you learn anything, whether you learn how to say hello in Spanish or how to say hello in Alemán, you need to learn, but you need to learn. You need to learn any one good thing every day. Now, please remember that small dots makes your image. Small dots which completes your image. Small dots, when I say whether the sense of dressing, the sense of talking, the sense of walking, the sense of completing task, your everything matters. You know, suppose you go in a corporate life and you go to the college office and you are wearing a t-shirt, happy Holi or happy Goa, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. So you need to decide how your image you are carrying, you know. If you don't know anything, it's okay. Nothing wrong if you don't know anything. Ask for the help, whether it's junior or the senior. अगर मुझे pivot table नहीं आता Excel में, nothing wrong. I can learn from a junior who is a fresher who knows pivot table. And suppose I don't know how to do a VLOOKUP in Excel, it's fine. Nobody will kill me that I don't know Excel, VLOOKUP. I don't know Excel, that's a crime. You know, 1+1 आना चाहिए मुझे corporate world में रहने के लिए. But I should know, if I don't know VLOOKUP, fine, that's fine. But I should learn, I should ask for help. कि please सिखा दो. ऐसा नहीं होने चाहिए, नहीं आता है, oh my God, how should I ask my junior? He is my junior, or he is just a fresher from college. You people are more advanced, you know more coding, you know this and that, which I don't know till date because I'm busy in my corporate world life, in a professional world. Nothing wrong if I learn anything from you. And when I learn anything from you, when you teach me anything, and when you guide me in some things, it's called reverse mentoring. Today mentoring is not that I can become a mentor. You can become my mentor. हो सकता है कि आपको गाड़ी चलानी आती हो, मुझे 4-व्हीलर रास्ता करना आता हो, और मैंने अगर 4-व्हीलर आपसे सीख रहा हूँ, so I am becoming you are becoming a mentor. That's called a reverse mentoring. I teach you X, you teach me Y. You need to be fitter in this world. You don't need to be a fatter team. You need to have a fitter team. So everybody looks for a fitter team. I don't need 10 people in my team. I need 4 people, लेकिन वो जो proactive हों, smart हों, काम करके दें. When I say proactive, smart, I doesn't mean that I need ये गोरा है, ये काला है तो नहीं लूंगा, ये पीला है, ये नीला है, ये अमीर है, ये गरीब है. When I'm saying fitter, I need a smart people. When you sit in my chair, I should boast of, wow, he's my colleague. He's from my team. So people nowadays want a skeleton team and a fitter team rather than a fatter team. Also, when you enter this world, you have to be very punctual. Please remember, you have to be punctual in everything, in every task. When I'm saying punctual, मीटिंग में जा रहे हैं, लेट जा रहे हैं, लॉग इन कर रहे हैं, लेट लॉग इन कर रहे हैं. आपको आपको बोला था मैंने पोस्ट इट लाने के लिए, स्टेशनरी ऑर्डर करने के लिए फ्रॉम, ठीक है सर शाम तक कर दूंगा. डोंट डू दैट. यू हैव टू बी पंचुअल. वॉट एवर टास्क, यू हैव टू बी पंचुअल इन. इट्स नॉर्मल फेज ऑफ लाइफ ऑल्सो. आपने स्कूल अटेंड किया, सुबह 7 बजे वाली स्कूल थी, 8 बजे, आप 9 बजे स्कूल नहीं पहुंच सकते थे. यू हैव टू बी पंचुअल. इट एंड सिचुएशन वाइज सारी चीजें चेंज होती हैं. जब आप स्कूल में थे तो सुबह की घंटी आपको बहुत बोरिंग लगती थी, बहुत खराब लगता था. बट जब 12 बजे या 1 बजे घंटी बजती थी तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता था. घंटी इज सेम, द बेल वाज सेम, बट यू एंजॉयड द बेल विच टू which allowed you to go home. Now, small things, 5-10 minutes more, I believe I have. So, small things which you should not do when you enter the corporate world. You should be very, very cautious. The practical things I would like to share. Don't challenge your boss. You know your boss is wrong, or your boss is not saying the right thing. जैसे आपके बॉस ने बोला, छोटी चीज, आई एम नॉट सेइंग ऑन द मेन हार्डकोर द बिजनेस प्रपोजिशंस. लाइक आपके बॉस ने बोला ऑडिटोरियम में यहाँ 50 चेयर है, 50 लोगों का बैठने का इंतजाम करना पड़ेगा हमको. आपको मालूम है 51 चेयर है. But don't try to boast of your knowledge in front of your seniors or show your boss, sir, I am more knowledgeable than you. Sir, नहीं 50 नहीं 51 चेयर है. Don't try to show your boss that he is wrong. आपको मालूम है 51 चेयर है. हाँ, अगर उसने 30 बोला और 51 है, यू कैन से दैट सर कैन आई करेक्ट, आई बिलीव द चेयर लगता है मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा है, 50-55 के पास लग रहा, आसपास लग रहा है. नथिंग रॉन्ग दैट देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. बट 50-51 का डिफरेंस है. डोंट ट्राई टू शो योर नॉलेज. नो नो सर, इट्स यू आर रॉन्ग. It's 55 chairs. They are not 30 or 51. So be careful. Don't do backbiting. आपको पता नहीं है कौन किसका आदमी है. So you don't know. Suppose your boss is not good and you complain a lot about her, and you don't know she would be my wife. You don't know, or she could be my daughter, and I'm HR head of this company, and you are openly criticizing my wife or my daughter or my sister. So you don't know कौन किसका रिलेशन में है. So don't do any backbiting. Don't do any loose talks. फ्रेंड सर्कल में भी नहीं करना है. क्या होता है कि आपने फ्रेंड को बोला, आपने ट्रस्ट करके बोला क्योंकि आपके कॉलेज वाला है, वो आपका अच्छा सखा साथी है, आपने बोल दिया. पता चला उसने जाके अपने बॉस को बोल दिया, सर मालूम है मेरा कलीग उसके बारे ऐसा ऐसा बोल रहा था. हम, और आपके बॉस था मैं, आई एम अ गुड फ्रेंड. सो स्टॉप backbiting. Stop talking loose when you're new to the organization. Gradually, when you climb up the ladder, you'll learn these techniques, you will know who is who, you'll learn everything. So don't speak loose anything about anybody. Don't do backbiting, you know. So important thing, when you go out of a party, मैंने आपको बोला चलो आज पार्टी है, मैं आपको पार्टी के लिए ले जा रहा हूँ, आज बर्थडे है, एनीथिंग, ऑफिस गेट टुगेदर है, आपको बोला चलो आज दारू पार्टी है, यू कैन बूज, नथिंग रॉन्ग. आपने इतनी पी ली कि आप लूज कंट्रोल, आप उल्टी कर रहे हो. As a boss or as a head of the organization, I will not like it. Whatever it is, आप पार्टी के लिए आए हो, maintain the decorum of the party also. ये नहीं कि आप ज्यादा खाना खा लिया, पूरा अब चिकन ही भर प्लेट 2 किलो चिकन लेके बैठ गया कि नहीं खाने को मिला है. So you have to be cautious on these things. When you are, don't lose control. Don't lose control anything when you are going in the outside party also. You feel party है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? But everybody is watching you. Choose your words clearly when you speak there. Whether आप WhatsApp कर रहे हो, SMS कर रहे हो, read twice because कभी कभी typo error हो जाता है. So और email, गुस्से में email लिख रहे हो, how dare you can say that में. So choose your words clearly when you send WhatsApp, when you send SMS, when you send email. Please be very, very, very careful. Please remember that कि आपके एक बार वो तीर निकल गई, फिर आप बाद में सॉरी बोलने जाओ, वो अगर मैं तो ये सोचूंगा हाउ डेयर यू, अच्छा बेटा चलो मैं बाद में तुमको देखता हूँ, तुम होशियार बन रहे हो, मैं ऐसा आपको, क्योंकि आई एम अ सीनियर, आई एम 20 years senior to you, I may take you, I am wrong if I am taking a vengeance, but yes, I may take it. I have that attitude of taking vengeance. You don't know that, so you have to be careful. Also, while when you are in an office, the ringtone should be important. कभी कभी कुछ high tech ringtone आप लोग लगा लेते हो. So be cautious on the ringtone. That's a normal thing you learn. But very important thing, when you save my name in your phone, be careful in saving. I have seen people, he doesn't like the boss and saving the name as in the mobile phone. But what happens? Suppose you are sitting with me and your boss calls me and the phone rings as as. So I could think that way also कि अरे ये तो मेरे बारे भी ऐसा कर सकता है. He's not a dedicated fellow. What the hell he is doing? He doesn't know college etiquettes, or corporate etiquettes. So be careful while saving the names also. When you are speaking to somebody of your colleague or your senior, be careful in talking also, because you don't know, in the phone today also comes with the recording. आप अगर फोन कर रहे के अपने बॉस को बता रहे हो या अपने कलीग को बता रहे हो, यार नीरज ना अच्छा बॉस नहीं है, लेट शाम तक रुकने को बोलता है, या संडे को भी बुला लेता है, या स्काइप मीटिंग संडे को ही ऑर्गेनाइज करता है. यू डोंट नो हु इज हो सकता है कि सामने वाले ने रिकॉर्ड कर लिया और फोन रिकॉर्डिंग करके मुझे भेज दिया कि देखो सर आपके बारे में मिस्टर एक्स और मिस वाई क्या बोल रहे हैं. सो बी केयरफुल, समबडी मस्ट बी रिकॉर्डिंग योर फोन. सो डोंट बी वेरी कॉशियस. आपके फ्रेंड है, ठीक है, आपका क्लासमेट है, बट डोंट ट्रस्ट एनीबडी. ओके, डोंट presume anything whenever something is there. You have to be re-verify, you have to be क्रॉस वेरीफाई. मैंने आपको बोला कि यार संडे ना यहाँ पे छुट्टी है क्लास, लेकिन आपको नहीं मालूम, आप बोलोगे कि अरे नीरज ने बोला था. री वेरीफाई एनीथिंग व्हेन यू से somebody shares with you anything, or you can club Sunday and Monday as a holiday. Be careful. Don't think things personally. Many times it's used weapons against you. कभी कभी आपको जानबूझ के इरिटेट करने के लिए मैं आपको कुछ ना कुछ बोल देता हूँ. Don't, in the corporate world, try to avoid taking things personally, because everybody is different. Everybody has their own upbringing, everybody there have own mindset, so they will speak bullshit. So don't take personally, and mellow down and don't do work. तो somebody, अगर मुझे लग रहा है आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, तो मैं आपको जानबूझ के आपको आके बोल दूंगा कि यार मालूम है आपके बारे में वो ऐसा ऐसा बोल रहा था और आप बुरे हो, आपका मूड ऑफ हो गया, यार मैं जो 12 घंटे काम करता हूँ मेरे बारे ऐसे कैसे कह रहे हैं वो. आपने वेरीफाई नहीं किया, क्योंकि मैंने आके आपको कान भर दिया आके. सो डोंट थिंक टेक्स पर्सनली. प्लीज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, चेंज इज द only constant thing in this world. You have to change, whether it's for good or for bad, but you need to change. Unless until you change, you will not survive, you will not grow, you will not climb up the ladder. So you have to change. It's applicable on me also. When I'm saying all these things, it's not that it's applicable on you only. I am the senior now, it's not applicable on me. Nothing is perfect in this world. Nothing is 100% perfect. You must be seeing the ad nowadays that Dettol kills 99% germs only. They don't say 100%, it's 99.9%. So similar way, you are also not perfect. Please don't try to be perfectionist. You have a lot of scope in this world, you have a lot of challenges in this world, but you people are more smarter, you people are more inclined towards the learning phase. You are more, technology is helping you to grow a lot. Everything is at your fingertip now. So definitely you will be, but the life you are leading right now is a wonderful life, where only difference is you don't have much responsibility. It will be a similar life in corporate, but with responsibility, where you need to be proactive, judgmental, you have to be cautious, you have to be, very much clear that what to do next. So this is in a nutshell, what I wanted to share in the short duration, what I've got. Dr. Sapna, any questions you have or the team has, please?
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. I mean, there are quite a few students here, so if there are any questions, students are most welcome to ask. However, sir, you have shared lots of do's and don'ts. In fact, I would say that there is a long list which can benefit our students to, even get acquainted with what are the expectations out of them once they switch from campus to corporates. So, any questions from any of the students here? Can please go ahead and ask. So any tips for the management students specifically, because we have management students as participants, especially semester one. So they have still 1 year, 1.5 years still to go. So
Yeah,
how they
I was,
can prepare
yeah.
them? Yes, sir.
See, I'd say YouTube is the best thing, and there is a competition success magazine. You see in the YouTube, you see the interviews, the IS toppers interview. YouTube is available everywhere. What to answer,
Right,
what to
sir.
not to answer. The body
Correct.
language. Body language, when I'm not saying how you walk, how you talk, how you, shake hands, everything is important. Like suppose you
Right, sir.
say yeah or you say yes, yeah, 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 or you
Very.
say yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. So everything is important in this time. How you eat in the canteen. I was telling you, there's a full day session on this. How to,
No.
what to say. Tell me about yourself. To be very honest, when we interview people, we judge people on the first. The knowledge is important, but we judge. You walk in the room, when you walk in my
Correct.
interview room, and when I ask you, tell me about yourself, your eye contact, your lips movement, your stammering, everything, it plays an important role. Also,
Yes.
I also try to nudge you around so that you get nervous. I'll ask you very stupid thing questions. What is the revolution of this fan in this room? And that moment you get nervous, and then I drag you to the nervous zone. After that, I'll ask you such questions. You will also like to stammer. I'm not trying to see that whether you know the revolution of the fan or not. But what I wanted to say is how smartly you're handling the situation, how tricky or how smartly or you're nervous, you are getting breakdown or not. So it is just a probe to things. For the management students only, I would like to say you have to be over smart these days. Your smartness will not help, but in the limit. Everything has a limit and a boundary. आप शेर हो तो सब सवा शेर मार्केट में बैठे हुए हैं. Please remember that. So don't try to be over smart, but here needs too smart. And don't be a hard worker. You people say generally we are a very hard working person. I need smart workers. I need smart, hard working person. तो कूली भी है स्टेशन के प्लेटफॉर्म पे कूली भी हार्ड वर्क करता है so I need smart workers. That's a nutshell. You are on mute, Dr. Sapna.
A second, sir. Am I audible now?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. I was just telling that if the students would have taken the few of the important takeaways from your session, they would, and they work on it. In fact, as you said, like many times we hear, but we forget when it comes on realization that what we are supposed to do it practically when we are in corporates. Like as you said, like be in canteen or be it using what kind of phrases or be it attending the interview for the first time, be it body language and lots of other things also. However, 1 hour is too short to
Yeah.
make them understand, like you being into that area, you had been a general manager HR. So I think whatever you have shared with us today in a very short span of time was qualitative, and I hope that the participants out there who were listening to you would have got lots of benefit and would have jotted down few of the important points what they're supposed to do, and how they can survive in today's VUCA world, or maybe how they can have an edge over others,
Right.
by understanding what they're not supposed to do and what they're supposed to do. Be it realizing that how they are going to handle the stress or act of balance. I have written down few of the points which I really liked from your session. Be it punctuality, or be it a smart worker, or be it at times you need to be smarter than others. As you said, there is a limit, or you don't have to be over smart, but then you have to be smart enough to make sure that you survive and do well and excel in wherever you're performing. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing a lot of and too much of information on how it becomes an easy switch from campus to corporate. So thank you for your time and valuable insights on the subject, sir. And I'm on behalf of Parallel University and Faculty of Management Studies. My dean, Dr. Beecher Zaveri, she was occupied in some meeting. So she had dropped me a message to convey this to you, that thanks from her end also. And hopefully we'll look forward to have many more sessions with you, sir.
It was my pleasure to interacting with you all, and
Yes.
definitely I look forward also to interacting with the students in near future.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a wonderful day. And thanks to all the participants also.
Take
Thank you so
care,
much,
folks.
sir.
Everybody, have a nice
Yes.
day. Take care. Bye bye.
Good day, sir.